Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. Now, first write numbers 1 to 6 and start converting them into different objects. After you can see that how the first has been converted into a vegetable and the alphabets of different number or the digits are being converted into different objects like this. You can see the end result. Now start making this by following these very few easy steps. First draw the front gate. After doing or making the front gate, you have to make a window and then you have to add some leaves or the trees along with it. Now don't forget to add a sun on the top of the sky and see how beautifully this house has been made. Simply draw this pattern by following these very few easy steps, and after doing that you can see that how perfectly this landscape will look after making this upper drawing. Now simply just draw this drawing inside it and then see this waterfall looks very great. Start making these circles, and after you are done with them, simply make it into a circular form. After that you have to see that how perfectly these leaves are to be made along with the thorns of this flower. Then you have to make the leaf along with the leaf lamina, and yes, the veins and inside the leaf are to be made like this, and this flower is ready. First draw this and then you can draw the pattern of this mushroom like house with the front gate and a window has to be made too. Now draw some grass in front of it and don't forget to make a branches along with some leaves emerging from the side. Now draw clouds too and you are done with this house. Start making the eyes, and after that you have to make the face. After you are done with this facial expression, then you have to make the lower body along with the costume like this. As you can see that this is looking very beautiful. This princess along with her magic stick looks very great. See how perfectly the crown fits. Use a color like this and start making this pattern along with this color. After making this, you can see that how wonderfully we have used black marker and how elegantly we have converted them into the trees like this. Now simply color them with the green color again and you are done with this. Now you have to make clouds and some birds too. For your next art, start making this. Now complete the outlook by simply placing them. Now after placing them, you can see how this scenery looks very great near the seashore. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.